Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Parker QUINKFlow Ballpoint refills. So let's first take a look around the outside of the package. So in this packet are 10 Parker QUINKFlow Ballpoint refills, and these are in black or contain the black ink and have a medium nib. And now taking a look at the back of the card packaging or packet, there's some information about the Parker QUINKFlow ballpoint refills in various languages. So they are made in France and conform to the ISO 12757.2 standard. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the packet by peeling the card backing off, and let's just pick one QUINKFlow ballpoint refill and giving you a look at it. So right there in my hand, just resting it in my palm to give you some sense of its size. And if the camcorder can focus in on it, to give you some sense of its dimensions. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see obviously it does have this shiny stainless steel body and of course that medium nib or tip. So I have to move slightly slower so that the camcorder can focus, or at least maintain focus, on its details. It's right there with the nib. And of course the branding details. And printing that's on the case. Or body of the refill. So there we go. And of course taking a look at the back part or the top part of the refill. There, giving you an overall look, of course. And of course let's test it out. So over here I have a rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen, which I've unboxed on the channel before. So currently it does have its standard refill in it. So let's open up the pen, while we separate the barrel from the grip, and giving you a look at the factory rOtring refill that's in there. And let's just compare it with the Parker QUINKFlow ballpoint refill. So they look very similar in design and dimensions. So the rOtring being the one below and the Parker being the one at the top. So just trying to show you those very fine details of the two ballpoint refills with black ink and medium nibs. and of course the back part as well, so still maintaining the Parker at the top and the rOtring at the bottom. So just doing my best here. To get the camcorder's focus on the parts of the refills. Okay, so there we go. Good overall look up close. Of the construction of these two pen refills. So let's of course take the Parker QUINKFlow Ballpoint refill and just popping it into the barrel of the rOtring 800 Retractable Ballpoint Pen and screwing the grip back onto the pen, and let's extend the nib so that we can have a look right there, and it appears nicely fitted. In the pen's body. Okay, so retracting and extending. Now of course let's test it out. And over here I have a moleskin hardcover notebook, which is a classic notebook with the hardcover and plain paper, which I've unboxed on the channel before as well. So let's open it up. Let's go to the back page, or blank page at the back. And giving you a look right there. And it writes smoothly and cleanly, and it does have the specification of a 3,500 meter writing length or distance, or 3.5 kilometers of writing fluid or ink. So let's give you a look at the nib once again, or the tip, and just showing you the tolerance or play, if any, of the Parker refill in this rOtring 800 retractable ballpoint pen. So that's the Parker QUINKFlow Ballpoint refill. Thanks for watching and happy writing!